Welcome to Odie's Kitchen Diary. Today I'll be making some yogurt at home. You will need milk and yogurt that has active live bacteria, which you can buy from the store or from a previous batch. Pour your milk in a pot and cook until it starts boiling and gets to a temperature of 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to stay close by while it's boiling because it easily spills all over the place if you don't stir. Once the milk is done cooking, turn off the stove and allow to cool. The reason you're boiling is because you want to sterilize the milk. Turn off the stove, allow the milk to cool. To save time, you can give it an ice bath. Just put some ice chips or ice blocks in a pot or in a bowl or the sink and put some water and place your pot in it so it cools faster. If you do not have a thermometer, you can just use clean finger. Dip it in the milk, count from 1 to 10. If you don't feel comfortable, it means it's still very hot. But if it feels okay with your finger still in the milk, then you're done. Next, you can just add your yogurt, the one that has the active live bacteria. Mix thoroughly and then pour in your container. Make sure your container is clean. Close up and then put in a warm place. I usually put mine in the oven and leave it in there until the next day. And this is the next morning. I have my yogurt ready. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.